How to catch a thermal with a RC glider.
Altitude 45 meters.
The thing you must have is a windsock that shows the wind direction, or a flag, and fly a bit downwind and for 45 degrees up from where you are standing or sitting, and then fly in a big S up against the wind like you are flying on a slope. And when the windsock is pointing to the left, like right now, I just fly a bit to the left, a bit more upwind than the windsock is pointing. There should the thermal be, like here. And just start to circle when you have found the thermal and let it drift with the wind.
Volume 60. Altitude 93 meters.
Now I will leave the thermal and fly upwind again. And when flying upwind, you should increase the speed a bit, around half as much as the wind is blowing. It's a good rule of thumb.
Altitude 106 meters. 21 meters.
Now the wind is picking up and pointing a bit to the left, so I go for it. And it should be in 3, 2,
Altitude 61
1,
meters.
here.
Altitude 71 meters. Altitude 59 meters.
The wind is still pointing a bit to the left, so flying upwind again, I will stay in the left side.
Altitude 63 meters.
It's here.
Altitude 71 meters. Altitude 82 meters.
One more lap.
Altitude 92 meters. Speed mode.
Going upwind again. And the windsock is pointing to the left, so I stay in the left side of the track and hope to catch the next thermal again.
Altitude 94 meters.
It is very easy to find the thermals if you use the downwind technique.
Altitude 56 meters.
When I started to use it, then the long thermal flight was very easy.
Altitude 57 meters. Speed mode. Altitude 73 meters.
Let's see if it will come down.